not between country and continent, but between a person's heart and mind. They also say that the greatest victory and conquest is not over a kingdom or an empire, but over oneself. So here I am, having travelled the distance between my heart and mind, to not further postpone the journey that I have started with Toastmasters. Good evening, my dear fellow Toastmasters, and welcome to this.
Good evening.
Like I said, the journey that I have started with Toastmasters for me symbolizes two journeys to be simultaneously travelled by me. An inner journey and an outer journey. The inner journey by which I want to know myself better, to improve my leadership, supportive skills, and of course to overcome my public speaking fear and apprehension. By the outer journey, here I want to meet interesting people, create a valuable relationship with them, help them and get help from them. From this Toastmasters Fellowship, I expect and look forward to be able to put my thoughts into words and to communicate them effectively in a public platform. Eventually, I want to be a motivational speaker. I want to make a difference. My full official name is Shiva Kumar. You may all call me Kumar. I am a product of Christ College, Bangalore, having done my graduation there in BSc Electronics. My father, Mr. Palaniappan, was self-employed, now retired. My mother, Mrs. Jyoti Lakshmi, was a school teacher, now retired, a homemaker. I have an elder brother and a younger sister. Younger sister married, settled in Salem, Tamil Nadu. Right now, I live with my brother and parents. Well, after graduation, we three of our friends together wanted to start a professional journey as entrepreneurs. We started a company giving IT security products and services. Way back in 2001 when we started, the IT security was a necessary precaution, not as a necessity as it is now. Then unfortunately one of our friends passed away. And the other friend moved on. Right now he is settled in US. I too moved on. Right now I work in a company called ECAPS. They are the distributors for IT products. I personally handle two business verticals for two security products. One Sony Board, currently called Dell Sony Board, after Dell has acquired it. It is a gateway security device. For those of you who don't know, it is something like a water hose pipe where you can direct and control the water. Using this device, you will be able to control the data flow and data protection. Protect it from unauthorized access. And the other product I handle is Kaspersky, a Russian antivirus product, something like your Symantec and McAfee. For those of you who don't know, you can go and check it. It is endorsed by Sachin Tendulkar currently. My hobbies include reading. I like to be physically fit. I make it a point to jog twice a week. I get into swimming whenever time and opportunity arises. On a personal front, I am a Christian by faith. I am a born-again Christian, a firm believer in Jesus Christ and the Bible. I have an alias. I am also called as Joshua Judah. I know this is not a platform to profess one's faith, but also I know this is a platform to express one's opinion and respect others as well. I believe we are all created for a purpose. Just as the purpose of a pen is to write, just as the purpose of the mic is to make my voice loud and audible. I believe we are all created for a purpose. And I believe that basic purpose that we are created is to believe and to worship. We all tend to believe in something in the other. We tend to believe in our abilities. We tend to believe in our job. We tend to believe in our governments that they'll be able to do something during the recession. Be it the United States, Greece, Spain or India. I also believe we are all created to worship. Worship something or the other. Worship Parents worship, some people both worship film stars, worship music stars. Some people take sports as a religion and worship sports.